Many first-time mamas ask me on how to latch their baby properly during breastfeeding, and first thing that you need to know is that when you miss the breastfeeding position, you miss everything. So you need to master the best breastfeeding position to your baby, and if you want to learn about it, check my video. I did a video on that, and check it in the description box. Assuming you have a good breastfeeding position, then you need to bring the baby to the breast, not otherwise. So I bring the baby to the breast, and I will ensure that my nipple and baby's nose are in line, like in opposite direction, so I can be able to feed my baby. So I will rub the nipple on the baby's lip. Then this will allow the baby to widely open her mouth, like if she open the mouth like then I will put the breast inside the baby's mouth. And if the baby grabs only the nipple like this, that means this is not proper. The baby will grab the nipple like this. As you can see, the darker area is completely covered inside, like it's completely inside my mouth. Then you assume that this is your baby grabs or more of the areola part. Then this is the deep latch, and this is the best one. Your baby is latched well, and after that you need to ensure that your baby's chin your baby's chin is touching your breast, and your baby's mouth is lip is planched out. Your baby's mouth is planched out like this. I think you see it very well. Your baby's mouth is planched out, and you will feel the tugging sensation when your baby grabs the breast milk. Not painful. If it's painful, that means the latching is not proper, or there is problem with the latching. Detach the baby from the breast and reattach her again. And also, when your baby is started taking the breast milk, you will hear a rhythmic sound. That sounds will tell you that your baby, rhythmic sound, like someone is swallowing something, rhythmic, not a clacking sound. No, master the art of latching. Ensure to watch out for the signs of good latch before you continue with the breastfeeding. If not, you may end up having a pussy baby because she will not get enough breast milk, and you will have a painful breastfeeding session. You will feel pain, and you will end up having cracked nipple. So that's why good latching is very, very important. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and watch my next video on